Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow candle, baby.
Wish!
Blow candle.
Wish!
Wish! Wish! Yay! Happy birthday, baby.
Clap!
Clap!
Yay! Clap! Clap!
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Wala, something.
So, Mommy, what is your message to your daughter that she's already 1 year old? Message din, Mommy. English vlog. English pa. Tagalog lang, Mommy.
Wish ko, para kay Queenie, sana good health. Ha?
Tada!
May prefer siya?
Good health, lumaking may takot sa Diyos, lumaking batang matalino, and yun lang. Thank you.
Okay, baby.
Siyempre, si Daddy din.
Iwasan umiyak eh.
Ay, sino?
So, let's see. Wish ko for I wish you all the best in life.
Kang
Alam ko,
umiyak.
this whole time wala ako, and I'm seeing you for the first time. You're so beautiful, you're so pretty. And you're so precious, and I hope you always stay na ganyan behavior.
Yay!
But I hope you become the best person that you can be, and you achieve everything you want in life. Okay, baby?
Okay.
Yes.
Yay! Clap, baby, clap!
Happy birthday, Gwen. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.